how to share content such as text, images, and videos from your Flutter app to other applications. To use Share Plus package, we have to import Share Plus package as well as image picker and file selector package to get image and videos from gallery. Next, in our Share Plus page.dart, we create text and subject variables to share them with images, image names and image path list for images, and video names and video path list for videos. Next, we initialize image picker to pick the images later in our app. Next, we created a text field named shared text with the decoration set to input decoration and max line set to null. We also set the input value to the variable text in our onChanged method. Next, we created another text field named share subject, just like the text field we have created before. After that, we created image previews widget and passed image paths and onDelete image method. Image previews is a custom widget that we have created. This is our onDelete image method, which simply removes image name and image path from their respective list. Here is our image previews widget, which takes image path and onDelete method. Next, in our widget build function, we return the sized box if the image paths list is empty, else we add the image preview widget in our image widgets list with the image path and its onDelete method. Next, we return the image widgets list wrapped by a single child scroll view widget. This is our image preview widget, which takes two parameters, that is image path and a callback named onDelete. In our widget build function, we assign the file to our image file variable and displayed the image in constant box widget. Here, if the k is web is true, we return the network image, else we return the file image. K is web is a constant that is true if the application was compiled to run on the web. Next, we created a floating action button to delete the image. Now, in our SharePlus page.dart, we created an elevated button with the icon named Add Image. Here, in onPressed callback, we check if the platform type is not web and it is Mac OS or Linux or Windows, then we set the type group variable to xTypeGroup object with the properties label and list of extensions. Next, we set the results of openFile function with the property accepted type groups, which is the set of type group in a variable named file. And then, if the file is not null, we add the file name and path in image name and image paths list respectively. If the platform is web, Android or iOS, we pick the file from gallery and saved it in picked file variable. Next, if the picked file is not null, we add its path and name in the respective list. Next, we created an elevated button to share images, text and subject. We called onShareImages function on its onPressed callback. This is our onShareImages function, in which first we call the findRenderObject method on the buildContext object to get the render object associated with the widget and assign it to a box variable. After that, we check if the image path list is not empty, then we add all the images as X files in the files list and then share the files using xFiles method provided by the Share Plus package and provided three arguments, that is files, text and subject. And if the image path is empty, we share the text and subject only by using share method provided by the Share Plus package. Next, we created another elevated button named Add Video. On its onPressed callback, we picked the video from the gallery and added its path and name to respective list. Next, we created another elevated button named Share Videos and called onShareVideos on its onPressed callback. This is our onShareVideos method, which is same as onShareImages method. Here we add the video path and video names in our xFile object instead of image paths and image names. Now here you can see I can share text, subject and images on multiple apps. Right now I am sharing it on WhatsApp and sending it to one of my friends. I can also share a single video or multiple videos on WhatsApp and other applications, just like I shared the text, subject and images on WhatsApp.